Hey guys, so today I'm in my Prius again and I'm going to upgrade my just regular phone mount holder that I use for GPS and things like that to a CarPlay system that's going to have a nice big display right here, and we'll give it a shot. Let's take a look. So let's take a look what's in the box. This is a Carpodgo. Carpodgo. All right, let's see what's in here. Alright, it's good looking packaging. Looks kind of iPhone-y in its packaging. Okay, it comes with a suction mount if you want to use the suction mount. Like that. Suction. Okay, some kind of cable. Looks like USB to headphone jack. Okay, some of the wiring connectors and a rear camera. So this is probably wiring for the rear camera. I'm not going to do the rear camera because I already have a rear camera, but that's an option if you need a rear camera also. Looks like some mounting stuff. Manual. This device here, what I want to do is to connect it in the Bluetooth only mode. So I don't want to have to use any kind of wires to connect to the audio so this, of course, you still have to connect wires to power it, but for the audio, Bluetooth only, I'm going to use my car's Bluetooth to connect to this and to my car to get the audio. So that'll make my wiring a little bit cleaner. That's the idea. Alright, let's take a look at this. So this display is 60 frames per second, so it should be way clearer and sharper and brighter than my current one. Take a look. Alright, so this back thing comes off by just a strong magnet. You can see, well, it's actually quite strong. It wants to pop back. Okay, the screen is nice and clean. You can see it. It's very thin bezel, so it's nice and sharp. So it's good looking screen. I think my old one had a thick bezel around, so this one's a little bit of a cleaner look. Peel off before application. Just take a look at the screen. Alright. There we go. Nice and shiny. They call it a full lamination screen, which I guess that means it's nice and seamless. Okay. What else do we got here? It looks like another mounting option if you just want to mount it straight to your dash. It's real nice and simple. And this, if you want to use the suction, looks like there's a pad. So what you do is if your surface it's got ridges or something that it's not smooth, you would use the adhesion and then you'd use the suction on top of that. What else? Okay, this is some double-sided tape. I'm not sure what that's for yet, but we'll read the directions. Okay, there's another set of manuals, user manual for the device itself. All right, so we'll take a look at that when we do the install. Here's the cable. It plugs really easy to your cigarette lighter. USB to the back. And it looks like another USB option. It looks like a USB-C to USB-A adapter. OTG. Not sure what that stands for right now, but again, it's probably in the manual. So let's hook it up and give it a shot. Alright, so you saw the system comes with this mounting pad and things like that. And the good news for me is that I already have a mounting pad, you know, that's already here in my car. It's basically the same concept. It has this, the one it comes with has this bar that goes like that you could suction this down. It goes up and down, and there's a pad, but basically I have the same concept on my phone holder already, so I won't need to add this. I'll just use this guy right here. Remember, we got this magnet piece that I'm just going to take out. All right, got that out, and I'm going to use this ring that they give you. The ring goes before the ball. Put this in. Tighten it up. And the magnet should just lock right into place. All right, that was easy. Okay, so from there, all I have to do is really just plug it in. And it comes with this cigarette lighter right there, and the cigarette lighter has a USB port on the other side. So you're actually adding an extra USB port by using this cigarette lighter. And what I want to do is I want to route this line so it's nice and short through my my glove box. So if you go here, I can route this line really nice and easy through my glove box. Alright, never mind the mess in my glove box, but the idea is that I would stick it in here, and this would just close like that, and this guy would close like this, and it's nice and neat. You could see the only wire that you could see is that, which is no big deal at all. Take the cigarette lighter, plug it in here, and there's a power button on that too, so that's cool. Plug it in here, and all this extra wire I could either leave inside my glove box, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck it all right underneath there. Tuck him underneath there, and I'm going to tuck the rest underneath here so that it's nice and out of the way. So really the only thing I have exposed is that wire there and this wire here. So that's pretty cool. All right, again, I'm not going to use the rear backup camera, but there is if you want to mount that up. But we are good to go to test this out. All right, so we're going to pair the phone up to the iPhone for CarPlay. Oh wow, look at that screen. It's pretty sharp. It's a very nice sharp display. All right, so let's play some music, and we're going to connect it through the Bluetooth of the car and CarPlay. So there's no other additional auxiliary wires. What app are you using?
Sorry.
Okay, you can see it's played on CarPlay, and it's also on my Bluetooth radio, so I don't have to connect any extra wire, so that's good. Yeah, we can't leave it on for too long because we get copyright infringements. So there it is. I think it looks pretty good. All right, here's a look at the CarPlay while we're moving the maps. You can see the screen is really bright and sharp. Even through my phone, I'm sure it looks really good.